The next important module is flight sales or booking. This module helps you to make only flight booking for domestic and international destinations with single trip, round trip or multi-trip. So let's start. First, we need to select the customer if it is existing to the system, or you can create a new customer from here. Select the traveling type, domestic, international. If the same passenger is traveling into these tours, select the checkbox so their details will auto reflect here. If there are multiple passengers, you can add it from here, or you can input the CSV. Enter the ticket number, GDS PNR. This GDS PNR is generated from the GDS websites or the portals. Here the option to enter one-way trip, round trip and the multi-trip. If this is a round trip, you can add the section from here, or for the multi-trip. Select departure date with time, arrival date with time, airline, class which you are providing, flight number, airline PNR, departure airport, arrival airport, meal plan if any, luggage size, special note if any. Next, receipt details means the payment details. So here you can enter the adult price, the basic amount, markup if any, discount, service charge, tax on service charge, TDS, payment due date, booking date, and this ticket is purchased from this supplier. Next, if the customer releases some advance payment, enter the again payment date, payment amount, payment mode, and save. You can send booking confirmation message on the WhatsApp. By default, i2 system send booking confirmation email and the receipt details on customer email ID. Booking details is auto reflect in these sections. You can download the e-ticket and download the invoice on full payment, edit the booking details and view the booking details. So all booking details you can export into the Excel file. Use the filtrations, payment receipt, you can download from here. You can edit into this section. All ticket wise passenger report will be reflected in passenger report section. Even the ticket report. The physical copy or the soft copy you can upload from this section. So whenever customer will log in their portals, he can download the ticket at any time. And visa status section. So this is all about the flight bookings or the flight sale.